I didn't understand how to erase our city until I heard the murmuring melt and whirling eddies, until I stepped out to see the river's tanned felt pinched between red cliffs, our buildings stripped of windows and electricity. Who needs dynamite, a 2-ton wrecking ball, or hydraulic shears to collapse our worn-out commercial district, when I have this demon blue sky, stiff wind, undammed water, 100 million years of rock to crush the plastic frame around my life? Who needs mildewing tablecloth, the screech of a wheel, the scuffed linoleum, when I have this morning skyline quilted in light, convincing me I behold the last unpeopled place, which is a lie I collect inside a camera for you, a panorama of my own stubborn pretending.